When you first approach house in Akashi, you get a sense that this isn't your typical suburban home. Nestled quietly in a residential neighborhood just outside the city center of Akashi, Japan, the design by Arbol unfolds gracefully within a compact 81 square meter footprint. Rather than stacking space vertically or squeezing rooms together, the architects chose a single-story layout organized around 3 internal courtyards, creating a rhythm of indoor and outdoor connections that shapes the experience of the entire house. Right from the entrance, the house begins to reveal its thoughtful spatial sequence. The plan is divided into 3 distinct zones, each tied to one of the courtyards. The first courtyard sits beside a traditional Japanese tatami room and a dirt floor entrance area, offering a space where family life flows comfortably from indoors to outside. This courtyard doubles as a kitchen garden, complete with a small grape tree planted for seasonal harvests. Moving inward, the central part of the house opens onto the second courtyard. This is where daily life really happens. The living and dining space becomes a semi-public heart of the home. Positioned between the garden and interior, the sunlight filters gently through the trees and open sky, wrapping this shared area with a soft, natural glow. It's a space designed not just to look out, but to feel the changing light throughout the day. The third courtyard sits at the back, adjacent to private rooms and the laundry space, sometimes referred to as the dry area. Careful placement of windows here means you can still enjoy views of sky and vegetation even from more utilitarian corners of the house. Together, these courtyards bring in breezes, seasonal shifts, and natural light from unexpected angles, from the cool north light to the warm hues of afternoon sun drifting across the rooms. One of the most human-centered design touches is found right at the entrance, a wood stove set on the dirt floor. This wasn't just a stylistic decision, it came from the client's wish for their children to hear and feel the crackle of burning wood in winter. The idea was that family life here would be sensory, rooted in the seasons, whether roasting sweet potatoes or gathering close on chilly evenings. From the outside, the house maintains a quiet, almost closed facade that protects privacy in a dense urban setting. But once inside, the courtyard-driven plan dissolves barriers between indoor and outdoor life, blending wood, greenery, and daylight into a warm, cohesive whole. It's a home that invites its inhabitants to feel the rhythm of nature every day, a subtle lesson in living with light, wind, and space rather than just within them.